Do you want to build a snowman and play with me outside? I'll never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, but now we're not. I wish you could tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. But we're on a okay, bye. Do you want to build a snowman or ride your bikes around a horse? I picked a cup and he is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the walls. Hang on, Andrew. It gets a little lonely on these empty rooms, watching all. Do you want to be a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Go in. Okay, bye.